Hello everyone, greetings from SIMATS Engineering. Today I am proud to introduce you to the state-of-the-art research facility at SIMATS Engineering, the Instron Universal Testing Machine. This advanced 100 kN UTM is designed for mechanical testing of materials, enabling us to evaluate strength and durability under static and dynamic loading conditions. Instron allows us to test a wide range of materials including metals, composites, polymers and advanced materials. One of the key features of this system is its high temperature testing module that can test up to 1200 degrees Celsius. And the low temperature testing module can test materials as low as -40 degrees Celsius. This allows us to study material behavior under extreme environmental conditions, which is critical for industries such as aerospace, automotive and energy systems. With this setup, we can perform various tests such as tensile strength, compressive strength, interlaminar shear strength, flexural strength and fatigue related studies, ensuring accurate and precise results. At SIMATS Engineering, we are committed to provide world-class infrastructure to drive cutting-edge research and practical learning. Thank you.